7 Secrets to Building a Successful Online Business from Home. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel because this video took a lot of time to prepare. And if you're looking for a realistic way to build an online business from home while balancing family, responsibilities, and daily life, you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Number 1. Accept the reality. Time is your most valuable asset. Running an online business from home is not free time magic. It requires dedicated time, even if it's only a few focused hours per day. If you're managing a household or taking care of children, your first challenge is not money, it's time management. Successful people don't wait for perfect conditions. They communicate with family, ask for support, use small time blocks effectively, and turn quiet moments into productive sessions. Building a business from home isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible with structure and commitment. Number 2. Set clear goals and define your strong why. Motivation fades when life gets busy. That's why you need clear goals and a powerful reason behind them. You need to ask yourself, what do I want in 6 months? What do I want in 1 year? What kind of life do I want for my family? A strong why creates emotional fuel. Your reason could be financial freedom, more time with family, security for your children, a better home, or freedom from stress. When your motivation is emotional, you keep going even when you're tired, overwhelmed, or discouraged. Without goals and a why, most people quit before they see results. Number 3. Take your online business seriously. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not treating their online business like a real business. Because startup costs are low, people think it's okay to be careless or inconsistent. But success requires planning, discipline, daily action, and emotional investment. You must create a simple plan and break it into daily tasks. Build a website, create content, choose offers, set up email marketing, and drive traffic. Writing your plan down increases commitment and turns ideas into action. Number 4. Choose the right online business model. Not all online business models are the same. You must choose one that fits your time, skills, and resources. Common models include affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, selling your own digital products, online stores and dropshipping, and Amazon FBA. Each model has pros and cons. The key rule is choose one and master it. Jumping from one model to another is the fastest way to fail. Consistency always beats complexity. Number 5. Avoid shiny object syndrome. Every day, new miracle systems are promoted online. They promise fast money, easy clicks, and instant results. This is called shiny object syndrome. The truth is simple. There is no shortcut to real success. Successful online entrepreneurs ignore hype. They focus on fundamentals, improve step by step, and stick to one strategy long enough. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Number 6. Marketing is not optional. Many people spend too much time perfecting websites, tweaking designs, and creating endless content, but they forget the most important thing, marketing. If no one sees your offer, you won't make money, no matter how good it is. You must learn to drive traffic, understand your audience, use social media properly, learn basic SEO, and test paid advertising when possible. Traffic is the bloodline of any online business. Without it, nothing works. Number 7. Use help, tools, and outsourcing. You don't need to do everything yourself. Successful people know their limits and outsource what they're not good at. You can outsource graphic design, writing, technical setup, and repetitive tasks. This allows you to focus on strategy, content, growth, and decision-making. Building a small virtual team saves time and accelerates results. Final message: action creates results. Knowledge alone won't change your life. Action will. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start, stay consistent, and improve along the way. Building an online business from home is not about perfection, it's about persistence. Take action today, even if it's one small step. Outro: ask them to subscribe. If this video helped you understand how to build a successful online business from home, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future videos filled with practical strategies, realistic guidance, and step-by-step systems. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future is built one decision at a time.